So, I came home today, was actually in the workshop with my car doing the previous video, and when I got home I got a package, and this is from Ultra Performance. Oh shit, I'm so fancy, got even a mic. So this package is from Ultra Performance. It's a UK based company, if I remember correct, and they deliver or make stuff. I think it's primarily for old Audis, and it's So this is Sulan. Sulan, say hello. So this is for this is primarily used for, do you approve? Sulan, do you approve this? Yeah? This is for when you use A6 C7 brake master cylinder in like older Audi chassis. I don't know if this is universal for how many chassis, but at least Eric used this on his 90 Quattro, and this side is going to the back of the brake master cylinder, and this side is going to be connected to the brake paddle. So if I measured correct on my Golf Mk1 paddle, this is going to fit. I will maybe need to cut it down a few centimeters, I don't know, but so this video is going to be about this. Let's go to the workshop. Before I'm going to mount this adapter, on my way to the workshop I picked up this. This is some stickers for the front window of the car. This is for a company which a friend of mine has, and this company specializes in racing. If you want your car to go fast, like not necessarily in a straight line, but like around a track, like the Nürburgring or a similar type of track, this is the company to keep an eye out for, because this is mainly, or of course you can buy performance part like tuning parts for the engine and basically everything, but maybe I should do like so. But they specialize mostly in like parts for your car which makes you go fast around the track. This is the company. I'm gonna leave a link to the website in the description. If you live in Norway, this is the company to contact. They have a lot of experience, and I am going to get one of these stickers. I'm going to actually take this one, and I'm just going to test fit this sticker on my window on the Golf. So before doing anything else, let's just do this. So let's see if is it too big? No. Oh, it's gonna be good. I think this is going to be look really good on the car. This is the company that actually helped me weigh my car, and they are also going to, when I get my coilovers, they are going to help me. We're going to weigh the car again, and like first I think it's going to be like put the car in the height we want, and then put it on the weights, and then do some adjustments to make the weight of the car, make the balance of the car better than if it's just a cool look. So, and this is just a friend of mine, not sponsored, just a friend, which helps me. So yeah, this is cool. Now let's get back to what I'm really going to do, what I'm actually going to do. By the way, the name of the company is Nasherei. Nasherei. That's how you pronounce it. Nasherei. Go for. They have Instagram. Go check out their Instagram. So now let's see what I actually was going to do today. Of course, I forgot to buy more brake line, but I guess this will be enough for this side. But for the rear, I need to buy more. But first of all, let's see if this will fit. People that watch this channel or this kind of movies, not. I guess people who watch these videos have kind of a understanding of what parts I'm talking about when I name the different parts. But if not, this is the brake booster, this thing here, this black big thing. This is the reservoir, the brake fluid. On this one, it's two outputs. It's one for the rear, one for the front brakes. And how this works is, like I know the basics, you press the brake pedal inside the car, and you're gonna press like this rod, which goes into this brake booster, which makes it easier or helps you brake. And this is going to be the connection, but hopefully this is going to be the connection between the brake booster and the brake pedal. So it's gonna, you're gonna see if it will fit. So just a quick comparison. mounted the pedal. Well, the pedal is mounted to the brake booster, and I have some. Now I think it's a bit too far towards the. It's not called the firewall, is it? It's called the bulkhead or something in English, or in Britain, bulkhead. It's a bit too far, I think, to the bulkhead, but I have a lot of adjustments, so I think this it's gonna work out. This is how you mount A6 C7 brake booster into a Mark 1 Golf. You buy one, you get this adapter, you chop off a few centimeters of this adapter, drill a hole in the pedal, and fits like a glove. I think this is gonna be it for this video. Not gonna do the rest of the brake lines in the front. Too tired. So see you again next time. Bye.